you can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. Who wanna build it like Megan Thee Stallion? Don't want your nigga cause I want his daddy. I like to switch up my style every week.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Empress Nay, and I am back with another video. So as you guys could see from the title below, I'm gonna be doing a how to put on your eyelash for beginners. I just did my makeup because I'm bored. Yeah, I do makeup whenever I'm bored and I want to practice, you know, until I get it right. So a lot of times when I put on my eyelashes, they're like, oh my god, how did you do that, or whatever. So I'm like, you know what, let me just do a tutorial to show y'all. So here I got my lashes. I bought them from the beauty supply store. I've had them about long time. I have a lot of lashes, but this one y'all, this be popping whenever I put it on. So I'll be like reusing it and stuff, and half the time I don't be even going anywhere. I just do my makeup like right now because I'm about to get on TikTok. I just do my makeup, put my lashes on, do what I'm doing, and I just take it off. So what's the point of throwing it away when I could use it again? So yeah, so y'all, I use this glue. Yep, the black glue. I got it from the beauty supply store. I had this for a long time. So this is what I use to put my lashes on and stuff. I know other people use the you have other people that uses the lash glue, but that doesn't work for me. I don't know about y'all, but it doesn't work for me. So I just use this one, the hair glue. The hair glue. So hold on, I need to get something to take it out. Lash, the hair glue to put on my lash. So I use this, like it's like one of my eye stuff. This is what I use. So I get some like this, just a little tooks, because you don't want to have too much glue on your lash. Then you're gonna put it on the lash like so, like so. You gotta make sure you got glue all around it and stuff, especially at the ends. Make sure you have glue at the tips, because that's the part that I always be lifting up, because it doesn't have a lot of glue on there. But yeah, I do that, and then this is how I do mine. You just hold it and you just do this. See that? That. There you go. Lash is on. Look at that. It is really easy. It is really easy. Y'all, I'm telling you, it is not hard to put lashes on. Y'all be bugging, acting as if it's not hard. I'm gonna do it again with the other one. You get your glue, you put it, make sure it is not a lot, make sure you get the ends and stuff. It is not hard, I promise y'all. I'm gonna show you again what I did. Have your lash, and you just, it is so easy, y'all. You just bam. Okay, look, get your lash, look. You just do like this. You see this side, I am weird with this hand, with this side. Let's see, should have did it first, this. See that? That. There you go. Bam, lashes on, and it will dry super fast. You don't have to even fan it or do all of that stuff, that extra stuff. Girl, nah, you don't have to do all that. It will dry on its own. And I did my makeup. I didn't use my spray. Just let that dry, and then boom, I got my lashes on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if y'all want to see me do makeup tutorials or whatever tutorials, y'all just let me know and I'll do it. I was gonna do this, but I didn't like it. No, I was gonna film me doing this makeup, but I forgot. But if y'all want to see me do tutorials on my makeup or whatever tutorial, my eyebrows, because I think I did good this time. Yeah, this time. Just like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend. And you already know how it goes. Peace.